So how do you add a shortcut to the control center of your Apple Watch? So what you can do, of course, is to click on the side button of your watch to get to the control center like that. And if you scroll down entirely toward the bottom, you can find a little edit button. So this edit button allows you to basically just move around the existing toggles. But if you have something else at the bottom, which you haven't added to this control center, it's going to have a green plus button next to it. So you can add that if it's a shortcut or it might be like an app or something, right? So you can just add it from the available section below and make it appear to be part of your control center. Obviously, you can also reorganize it to make it more suitable for you, but that's essentially how it works. Outside of that, it's pretty limited, so I cannot really decide to put anything in there. For this, we have the widgets section. If you swipe up from the bottom of the watch face, you can adjust the widgets and apps right here, so that's actually useful. But the control center is like a separate thing with only the toggles to control the actual device. So that's going to be about it from me. Let me know if it worked. Most definitely subscribe for the next tutorials in the future, and I'll catch you later.